Hello everyone, I'm Kanak of class 8B in DPS Noida, and today I made a gallery app using the MIT App Inventor. Here's how it works. A gallery app using the horizontal scroll arrangement. In the horizontal scroll arrangement, I inserted vertical arrangements in which my height was fill parent and the width was 100%. In each image I uploaded, I made no change in them except the image should be visible. That's the only change I made in the images. All other things should be according to you, the font size, etc. For using the scroll arrangement, I can scroll all the images I have selected. Here all the images that I had uploaded on the MIT Inventor. This is how my gallery app